With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, our question is two soap bubbles having radii 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter in vacuum. Okay, placed under isothermal conditions. Okay, then the radius of new bubble is. So basically in this question we have to find the radius of new bubble. Okay, so let's say this is the bubble 1 having radius r1. Let me write here, radius r1 is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, now let's say this one is second bubble having radius r2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so now the important thing is there is excess pressure inside this bubble. Okay, which is equal to, let me write here, P1 is equal to 4T by R1, where T is surface tension. Okay, surface tension. So this is the value of excess pressure inside this bubble. Okay, similarly for bubble 2, excess pressure is P2 is equal to 4T by R2. Okay, and the volume of first bubble is V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 whole cube, and volume of second bubble is 4 by 3 pi R2 whole cube. Okay, so let's say they will combine and form a new bubble having larger radius R3. Okay, and they combine under isothermal condition. Okay, isothermally. Okay, which means temperature is constant. So let's say the excess pressure inside the final bubble is P3 is equal to 4T by R3, and volume of final bubble is V3 is equal to 4 by 3 pi R3 whole cube. Okay, so now the most important thing is, let me write here, before combination and after combination, number of molecule remain same. So according to this, we can say number of moles in first bubble plus number of moles in second bubble is equal to number of moles in final bubble. Okay, so we have ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Okay, so from here we can write N is equal to PV by RT. So in this question, temperature is constant. Okay. So according to this, we can write here number of moles for first bubble is P1 V1 by RT plus similarly P2 V2 by RT is equal to P3 V3 by RT. So you can easily say RT, RT, RT will cancel out. Then finally we have final equation P1 P1 V1 plus P2 V2 is equal to P3 V3. Okay. So we have all values P1 V1, P2 V2 and P3 V3. Okay. So let's put them. So P1 is equal to 4T by R1. V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Okay. Plus P2 is equal to 4T by R2 into 4 by 3 pi R2 cube is equal to 4T by R3 into 4 by 3 pi R3 cube. Okay. So you can easily see here that R1 and R1 will cancel out, R2, R2, R3, R3. And here you can see by simplifying we can write here taking 4T into 4 by 3 pi common. So we have R1 square plus R2 square is equal to 4T into 4 by 3 pi R3 square. So you can easily see that 4T and 4 by 3 pi, it will cancel out. Okay. So finally we have final equation R3 square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. Okay. So we have R1 is equal to 3 centimeter and R2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So by putting we have R3 is equal to under root 9 plus 16, which is equal to under root 25. It is equal to 5 centimeter. So the radius of final bubble is R3, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.